Hi, what's up there? This is Satimisa, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make Zika-free email. So guys, let's start. So guys, you need to open setting, then scroll down and go to Google. Now click on manage your Google account. Okay, now go to security over here, and now click on, you scroll down and click on recovery email. So guys, you enter your password over here. Okay guys, now click on next. Okay guys, now you can create your Zika email. You don't need to use @gmail.com. Like this. Okay guys, now click on save. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and please visit my website www.raticcompetition.blogspot.com. So guys, bye bye.